Hey everybody, Scott and Lindsay here, and we are cruising. We just boarded the Celebrity Apex.
This is our first time on a celebrity cruise and our first time in a suite. So we are super excited and want to give you guys a tour of the room.
All right, let's check it out. This is room number 9180. All right, so we're in room 9180. Let's check it out. Let's go in the living area first.
Champagne!
Oh my gato.
Wow.
Honey, see if it's real champagne.
This is fantastic. Wow, celebrity vintages.
Nice.
France.
Wow. So the first thing that's standing out to me in this room is it's bright.
It is so bright. The windows here seem like way wider than like a normal balcony room.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, we'll take you out there in a second, but let's spin you around and show you the whole room. So this is why we wanted this room. Is the bed is king size bed and it's facing the balcony, which is awesome. So over here we've got a little dresser area. Looks like some Evian. Nice little table and mirror. And let's check out the bathroom. This was supposed to be one of the other great features about this suite.
Shower tub combo. That's huge.
Whoa!
That's incredible.
Wow, rainfall shower. This looks like a handheld shower.
Water closet.
Yep, separate there.
And then look, I was excited to try this out. Oh, this is so cool.
Ah, this is great.
Wow. That's awesome.
Oh, so there's still glass right there. I
Yeah.
thought it opened up all the way.
No.
So there's a little sitting area there for makeup. 2 sinks. Looks like tons of storage. Wow, this room feels wide too, compared to the last cruise ship we were on was the Carnival Mardi Gras. All right, and let's check out the balcony. So we're in port at Fort Lauderdale. Obviously the view's not great yet, but this balcony is humongous. We stand at one side of it here, so there's 2 chairs here. Wow, you're a ways away.
Yeah, it's a really wide balcony, and this is how wide the whole room is.
Yeah, this is amazing. Okay, guys. So that's the room tour. If you have any questions or comments, we're going to be on this boat for 4 days. So leave us a comment below. We'll try to answer. And we'll try to make another video too and give you a full review of the ship. All right, that's it.
Bye.
Adios.